Folks, I'm getting spooled here. I got a big fish, but I'm gonna bring this guy in. He's pulling. I'm hoping it's not stingray. So I put a finger mullet hole at the end of this one. Whole finger mullet on a 7/0 circle hook. £80 fluorocarbon. 80-pound fluorocarbon on my leader. 65 braided line on my 10-foot Penn Bow 3, and this guy is heavy. I'm hoping it's not a stingray. Feels really heavy, but he's pulling. Oh wow, there he is. Something big. Stay on the line. I got him. I don't think it's a stingray. I hope not. I saw something splashing around. Come on. Gonna keep my line tight. I'm gonna bring him in. Please don't be a stingray. Stingray. If y'all don't know, stingrays are the worst. There he goes, man. He does not want to. He's being stubborn. Come on, come on, come on. I'm keeping him tight. I'll walk to him a little bit. Come on, come on, come on. Still pulling, come on. Gotta keep it tight. He's still there. Please don't be a stingray. It's a stingray. It's gonna be a big stingray. I'm going, come on. Come on, come on, come on. A stingray, they suck on the bottom and they like to stay there. Still don't see. Come on. Come on. Come on. There he is, there he is. What is he? What is he? I think he's tired. I think he's tired. He's letting me reel. Come on, come on, come on. I think it's a stingray. I think. Yeah, I think so. Big stingray. Yeah, he's a flat boy. Stinger. Yeah. There he is, in the distance. Stingray took my mullet. Well, I gotta walk back to my spike. Gotta walk back. Well, it was a good fight, you know, good little practice, but man, stingray. Yeah, he's on my hook tight too. It's gonna be fun to try to get him off. Dang, that would have been fun if it was a bull red or something. He's still there, he's still there. Well, looks like I did somewhat of a good job tying the knots so he didn't come off. So that's a good sign, at least. Let's see, he should be right there. There he is. All right, now the fun part is going to be to get him up off my hook. Ah, come on. Come on, come on, come on. All right. Look at that. Wow. Huge stingray. All right, let me get my tools. All right, so just got this guy in. He's fat. Look at that guy. Man, I wonder what he's been eating. Big, healthy boy. And throw him back. All right, well, we got something here. Let's see, he's swimming for it. He's going, he's going, he's going. Doubled up on a couple of whiting. Look at that. All right. Oh, it's a start. All right. Well, look at that. Fat guy. Big fat guy. Oh, wait.